हाय एवरीवन। मैं मोहम्मद नबील खान और मैं आपको बताऊंगा वेबसाइट प्लानिंग एंड पब्लिशिंग और क्रिएटिंग। द इंटरनेट इज़ अ मैसिव network of networks, a networking infrastructure. It connects millions of computers together globally for network, which can which any computer can communicate with any computers as long as they are both connected to the internet. What is www? www is World Wide Web. A, is a way to access information over a medium of internet. It is an information sharing model that is built top of internet. The web use the HTTP protocol, only one of the language spoke over the internet to transmit data. The web allows utilize browsers such as Internet Explorer. Nowadays, you can see that web browser uh, have integrated in your system. You have see the integrated version of web browser of your any like Vivo. Vivo give their different website. Asus have different browsers like Apple have Safari, and like all that. Link to each other. Hyperlink is a linking uh, web pages. A website is a collection of retailed web page, includes multimedia content typically identified with a common domain name and published on at least one web server. Web server may access public internet protocol or IP network such as internet or private local area network by referencing a uniform resource locator URL that is identify the sites. Like you can see, yeah, here is the identification of your site. This is protocol, this is your site secondary level domain, and this is your top or high level of domain name. DNS is DNS means domain name system. What is your domain name, or what is your host on domain name? Like you can see, web server and web hosting. This is commonly example of web hosting. This is all the sites. This is web host where you are hosting your website. This is your website, and this is your different systems that your website is on putting. A web server is a program that use HTTP hypertext transfer protocol to serve the file that forms web page to use in response to their request, which are forwarded by their computer HTTP client. Browser on your computer. Internet is a cloud, and this is web service. You park a space on internet which is known as web hosting. Web hosting is a service that allows to post a website or web pages onto internet. A web hosting service provide a business that daily life come for feed. Website are host on stores on a special computers called servers. There is different servers made for websites, compute for like happy hacking purpose and all that. Types of websites: static and dynamic. Static have a reserved data or a reserved static website ये होती है जिस जिसमें रिजर्व डेटा होता है और उसको हम थोड़ा सा कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं, मतलब कस्टमाइज ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते हैं और उसमें ज़्यादा चीज़ें यूज़ नहीं कर सकते। ये नॉर्मली फ़ोटोज़ एडिटिंग के लिए यूज़ होती है। और डायनामिक वेबसाइट हम डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं आजकल। इससे बहुत सी वेबसाइट्स बन जाती, लाइक डायनामिक की रिएक्ट की वेबसाइट बहुत यूज़ हो रही है। लाइक गुड गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ वेबसाइट इज amazon की वेबसाइट डायनामिक है, उस पे डेटा मतलब डेटा सिक्योर है। और स्टैटिक में डेटा मतलब नहीं कि ले सकते अपन, ले तो सकते हैं मतलब थोड़े स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा यूज होता है। और डायनामिक में अपन सर्वर को डेटा को कहीं भी होस्ट कर सकते हैं। लाइक यू कैन सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ डायनामिक वेबसाइट एंड स्टैटिक वेबसाइट। डायनामिक वेबसाइट में आप देख सकते हैं कि ये वेब सर्वर है और यहाँ पर डेटा सर्वर पे जा रहा है, मतलब ये हमारे पास बैकअप है एक, और फिर क्लाइंट के पास जा रहा है। तो ये बैकअप इस स्टैटिक में नहीं रहता है, यहाँ पर सिर्फ सर्वर और क्लाइंट का इंटरेक्शन होता है। और यहाँ पर डेटाबेस रहता है, उससे अपन को एक मीडियम मिल जाता है फॉर अ सिक्योर डेटा और सिक्योर वेबसाइट। एंड इट इज गुड, डायनामिक वेबसाइट इज गुड, रिस्पॉन्सिव। इट इज, ये सिंपल एग्जांपल है पोर्टेबिलिटी का। मतलब ये लैपटॉप पे भी चल रही है, पीसी पे भी चल रही है, और अदर डिवाइसेस मोबाइल टैबलेट सब पे चल रही है। तो इसको अपन बोलेंगे रिस्पॉन्सिव। और मोबाइल, बस ये स्मार्टफोन और मोबाइल्स पे चल रही है और टैबलेट्स पे चल रही है, बाकी किस चीज़ पे यूज़ नहीं हो रही। ये हमारे पास मोबाइल वेबसाइट हो गई। Personal website is best example of portfolio. What you create on your portfolio is your personal website. Like you have seen the example Alice Style. Alice do is uh, write about her. Business website are known as company website. Not Are not created for purpose of selling directly. Some business website may works lead general model, but some website might work little company business card and are there just letting visitor to know about work. Business website वर्क प्रोवाइड करती है, और जो भी इवेंट ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट, लाइक आप देख सकते हैं ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट सोनी की वेबसाइट, यहाँ पर बहुत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम्स और यूज हो रहे हैं। फ्लिपकार्ट हुआ, अमेजोन हुआ, आजकल थर्ड पार्टी वेबसाइट कह सकते हैं अपन, जहाँ पर अपन इंटरेक्शन हो रहा है एक का दूसरे से और हमको लाकर चीज कोई तीसरी दे रहा है। तो इंटरमीडिएट कौन बना? ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट। एफिलेटेड मार्किंग, इट इज ऑल्सो कैटेगरी ऑफ ई कॉमर्स। ये भी कैटेगरी होता है पर इसमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट ज्यादा होता है। वर्कलोड, ह्यूज इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए रहता है इसमें, ह्यूज इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं चाहिए रहता है, सॉरी, क्योंकि इसमें बस एडवर्टीजमेंट होता है और कुछ नहीं होता है, नॉर्मल वेबसाइट रहती है। जॉब जॉब वेबसाइट, जॉब पोर्टल वेबसाइट इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ job portal website is LinkedIn. And what's your professional life or day-to-day life, you can see there. Business directories, what business news going on is sees in business directories. Q&A, like Q&A website, Yahoo Answer. You do one-to-one chat or Yahoo or Quora. Quora. Quora, you can also see Quora can also do one-to-one website. Online communication, communities, photo sharing website. YouTube is best example. Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, all examples are there. Coupon website. You have to redeem this coupon and post on your third party website. The coupon is redeemed. So there is coupon website. The example of coupon website is Red Plum. Hmm. Action website. Bid to win or eBay. Like example. How and when website is created. There is raw blueprint and final blueprint. Here you have to tell what you will do, and you have here you will tell what is implemented. A website blueprint, similar blueprint for a house. There's home, there's one page, like two page and three page, like rooms. There is two room, three room, and there are sub rooms. This your website blueprint should contain as much as information or as much as diagrams to understand the UI path or user interface. Uh, the blueprint should be interacting. Uh, yes, here you can see all that written. Blueprint should more interactive, creative, or define your goals, um, or finding your proper path, or creating company profiles. Determining the goal of your website. What are you trying to accomplish? Pinpoint of your targeting audience. Try to understand what is their interest and how you can provide them with the valuable information that is looking for. What will you call that action which determines what you want your website visitor to do when they land on your website. Figure out what is easy to navigate throughout your site in order for them to complete your call to action. This is a best example of good website like Amazon. Amazon have all medium, like this is website. Here you can see Amazon mini and Amazon Prime. Amazon mini, here you can go and see. Amazon is best website. Here you can see the two example also. Money control, there is you can see news, what news is going on. What is CMS platform? A content management system is an application that is used to manage web content, allowing multiple contribution to create, edit, and publish. Content in a CMS is typically stored in a database and display in a presentation layer based on the set temporary. The following are basic feature of CMS. Content creation, content storage like database, workflow management, what you have to do and what will you do and what you are going to do. Publishing, benefits of CMS. Major advantage of CMS is collaboration nature. Multiple user can log on contribution schemes, edits, and all. This is like a book or a draft. You have draft and you are doing editing and do that. The second major advantage of CMS is that it allows non-technical people who don't know programming language easy to create, manage. Yeah, yes, you can see the non-tech person can also engage in this. The editor or a typical content manager platform allows user to text, upload images without need of any CSS and HTML. When a company uses CMS to publish its page, it reduces its reliance on front-end engineer website, making quicker and easier. It gives a broad idea. CMS gives broad idea to front-end engineer to what you have to do and what will you do. While there are hundred of CMS platforms, some of other popular ones listed below. WordPress is a blogging. Uh, Here you can see Drupal is portfolio. Zoomla is also a portfolio, and uh, Magneto is e-commerce website, and WooCommerce is a WordPress e-commerce website. Here I will show you some example or some screenshots of WordPress what I have. Yeah, you see, database. I have not created any database, but it shows like welcome to WordPress, get started, or it is free. WordPress is free. There's you can create clusters and data about what you're going to do, and this is homepage and all the example of WordPress. Yeah, yes, you can see WordPress is free. WordPress doesn't cost any limit or any download limit or any in donations. And there's is colla collage groups who enable manual for individual for nothing. WordPress is very adaptable. Yes, it is very adaptable. Uh, on the off chance that you know how to utilize Microsoft Word, you define know how to include your other own sustain. WordPress can extend with free modules to deal with pretty much any site you can inventory. There there are more than 200 free themes it look over. No compelling reasons to learn HTML, CSS and PHP without any preparation. There is no use of too much of HTML, CSS or coder type thing. Single WordPress goes about as a website editor. You does not have to take it all collaborative, just includes one single picture or one line of content. Thank you for all of that. And now I like you to leave